Hi guys, welcome back to my video. This is going to be an update of my portfolio, and if you want to copy, don't forget to go to my link on the description where you can copy all my open trades, which I recommend to copy with at least 1,000 of investments. I've changed this a little bit. I hope you enjoy. In terms of the US market, we have a minus 1% of performance, and my portfolio had a performance of 1.42%, much higher than actually was expected. In terms of profit loss, we have 10.75%, and in terms of the last 12 months, we have 20.42%. Bear in mind that I did put some information also on my last annual portfolio report, where you can see more deep information that usually I put here on the videos, which you're going to see where this profit comes from and why we achieved the 12 months and what is the state of the art of the portfolio per se. Please ignore here Maker and Polygon because this is a different portfolio that I have. Here I have only ADA and Bitcoin on eToro, and here is reflecting this because the application shows everything in the same place. So in terms of the top 5, and that has increased a lot, my portfolio was actually the British stocks, which is BP, AIG, and also GlaxoSmithKline that had increased, and also the Chinese stock Alibaba, which have increased, and that's why my portfolio went up instead of going down as the US market. So we have here also IMZA with a 2.19%. Comparing with the top losers, we still have COM as the top losers, and I don't know when this stock's going to go up in the next upcoming weeks or so. I hope to get rid of it as soon as is possible. I hope at least May or August, I think we'll reach a positive point so I can sell the stock and get rid of COM. The performance not being great in the past few months, and I'm regretting of buying COM. In terms of Disney, is still for me still a good investment. We have a decrease of 2.33%. ARR, we have a decrease of 2.2%. STOR decrease of 1.18%, and Pfizer a decrease of 1.04%. So we have here two REITs which had impact the STOR, and ARR had impact here on my portfolio. But as you can see, the top winners still beat the top losers, so we have still a positive portfolio. In terms of other performance and actions and indicators, we have payments of AGNC, QYLD, and GlaxoSmithKline. We had the past week. New acquisitions was Lugen in EPR. Actually, it wasn't last week. It was on the first week of January, but I was on holiday, so I couldn't do the video. And still open orders, we don't have none. Actually, it's not true, we do have a few more averaging on LGAN and also EPR, and others like Amazon and things like that. In terms of averaging, we've done LGAN, AVGO, Pfizer, Microsoft, and EPR. In terms of the top payers, we've changed now. SDV is one of our top payers, and the top dividend yield now it's ARR. This is due to the fact before was a QYLD, but this is due to the fact the stock went down a lot. So the percentage in terms of price versus dividends have increased. Therefore, the value is higher. In terms of portfolio, is still undervalued in 44.5%. So we had here a big increase. On the last year, we had around 20%, and now we have 44.5%. This is due to some stocks went down a lot, and the reports also shown by the companies have make this increase a bit, showing that the companies are getting more stable and getting more revenue from the previous year. In terms of estimations, of course, because the year still it is still started. In terms of portfolio future growth, we have around 10.11%, which before we had around 8%. So here, in terms of future growth, had increased as well. Again, most of it is due to the fact that the stock went down a lot in past December. In terms of good and bad actions, so we have Microsoft with an increase of 1.59%, and now with an increase of 7.29%. In terms of bad actions, we had here Legend with minus 1%. Bear in mind the Legend went down minus 5%. AVGO as well, around almost 6% in the past month, and EPR as well went down a lot, but this was a stock that I wanted to get in. That's why as soon as I bought, they went down, and both the three stocks went down. But this is something that it's a long investment, so this values here doesn't matter much. And you can see in terms of the overall, we have a 33% good choices and only 12 bad choices, which at the moment I think is relevant due to the profit that I've been getting during this week. And you can also see that information on the report of the past year. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy this update for this week. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like, and anything that you need. If you like more this type of videos, more short, please let me know, thumbs up, or leave a comment or something, and I'll reply to you as soon as possible. So once again, thank you and cheers, and see you next week.